welcome back. Oh my goodness, we are hitting these videos back to back because I was like, I have videos to do today, and I love my partner in crime. She's in here, and we're twinsies. Do you like our little sweatshirts? I've had mine for a long time. I bought these for her like last year, I want to say. So they were, I think, in Forever 21. She's got this one and a purple one. So yeah, I got it for you. Anyhow, we're like going sidetracked here. So you probably read the title. We have a Juvias surprise mystery bag. But before we talk about that, we just gotta get some things out of the way, and here we go. So my friends, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to
hit the notification button.
Yeah, don't forget to hit that notification, and don't forget to also like this video, and also don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts, which is Facebook and Instagram at DSoto Beauty Subscription. Okay guys, also before I move on, I just want to tell you what is on my eyes. I kind of want to do this in like my videos where I tell you what eyeshadow palette that I use today. I used today the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2, and my goal this year is that every time I use a palette, I'm just gonna put a sticky note that I used it already so that I can move on and use a different palette. And I know this big palette has a lot of shades in it and stuff like that, so I could probably use this like all week if I wanted to. But this palette is amazing. This is what I have in my eyes. I use these three right here plus this one as well. It is a beautiful palette. I love it. It's amazing. So yeah, I just kind of want to do that in my videos now, just to tell you what eyeshadow palette did I have on today.
I really want one.
You want one? She wants one now. And the lipstick I have on today is e.l.f. and this is in Nectar. It is really pretty, and I love the packaging of this. Look how clear it looks. Really nice package. But I got that on Ulta, so I'm excited to get that. All right, so let's unbox this box. Here's the scissors.
Okay, thank you. Be careful, right?
Yeah.
These scissors are dangerous.
You can do it like this. Like, oh, no, look it. Go like this. Just step. Okay, so Bella's gonna go ahead because she is excited to do some unboxing. So this is the Juvias Place, the Holiday Mystery Bag. It retailed for $45. I did get it on sale for $15, and so I ordered two. So I think they're gonna come out the same thing, like the same items or something like that. And you're supposed to get one eyeshadow palette and two mystery items as well. But there was a coupon, so I got it for a little cheaper too as well. And so that's everything. That's all the info that I have. It is sold out. There's no more of these. I guess Juvias Place does have mystery. I never knew this, but they have mystery bags. So this is the first time I'm getting one, and I'm very excited. Okay. And it took forever to get here. Can you believe that, guys? Like, forever. I ordered this like on January 4th, I want to say. Yeah, we got some stuff in here. Ooh.
I want vanilla.
Oh my goodness, guys. This is the mystery one? What?
I'll show you guys.
The Holiday Mystery Bag. I had a $10 off coupon. Yeah, that's what it was. It was $10 off over $30, so I paid $20 for this, for two. So we got two. Oh, look at, I got the Juvias Place Melissa collection. Okay, so I don't know. I know this, you know, I have Juvias Place, what do you call it? Eyeshadow palettes, but I really like, I followed them on Instagram, but like not like I'm so like, oh, I want, you know, I know this brand or whatever. I know it's a black owned company. I just don't know who Melissa is. If someone knows, maybe it's an influencer collab, but they said sorry, no, there is no product from this collection, so I don't know. I guess they don't have anymore, but here it is. And let's open this up. Ooh, we got a Melissa palette and a lip gloss. Now my friend did get the she got something totally different than I did. So this is like, she got a different palette, and she got like a lip gloss, 2 different lip glosses, and a different eyeshadow palette. Not even a Melissa one. So here it is. I'm excited. Oh, it's because there's tape in there, Mama. You want me to rip it for you? Okay. So I'm excited. So I got one for Bella, because you know she wants to get her own makeup collection. And yeah, there we go. This is exciting. I love this. I wonder if this is like one of those like PR packages. Oh, so this is, here it is. Super cute.
Another one?
Ooh, so we got 4 shades in here.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oopsie.
It's okay. And this is what it looks like. Oh, those are really gorgeous. So we have a purple glitter. There's like a really dark chocolate brown in here.
It says
that says modern,
extravagant,
dominant, and perfectionist. So this is what it.
Try one.
Okay, go ahead and swatch it.
Okay.
This is what it looks like. Really nice. Oh, I got something in my nail. Ooh. Okay, so that one looks very creamy. So we gotta be very careful. So the purple one that she just swatched right now looks very creamy. So this is what it looks like. Be careful, yeah. It's okay. You have to use your other finger. That's why.
Okay.
Okay, so this one, the chocolate, does not have glitter. It's because she put glitter. She swatched it with the same finger, so she put a glitter effect in it. So it doesn't have glitter in it.
Oh.
But that's what the shade looks like. It's really pretty.
Same thing.
Yeah. So yeah, my friend got a totally different eyeshadow palette. I can't remember which one it was, and then she got 2 lip glosses. So then in here we got a lip gloss called I can't say that. So you're gonna have to say it yourself, guys, because I get tongue twister here. But let's see what this lip gloss is all about. And I think she got one of these lip glosses.
I'm gonna put this back in.
But this one seems kind of odd for me that I got this. Because other people, let me see. I know it's on here. Unless they ran out, I have no idea. They got a palette that's orange. They did get a lip gloss, and then they got another lip collection. Yeah, that's so weird. I don't know. But here is my lip gloss. Did you get the same lip gloss too? Yeah, she got the same lip gloss as me.
I have to take.
Yeah, you got the same lip gloss. She got the same lip gloss as me. I'll open mine if you want, and then you can swatch it if you want.
Oh, yep, I did.
Yeah, you want to swatch mine? I opened it so you can swatch it. So you don't have to open that one. Did you hear me? It's like one ear out the other. I said you don't have to open that one because I'm opening this one already. I'm opening this one already, so you don't have to open that one. I know. It's like in one ear out the other, right?
Yeah.
And like, so you don't have to open that one if you want. So now she's being silly. It's like,
oh my god, it's making the room messy.
Okay, so here is the lip gloss. It looks like it's like a nude, but it's like with sparkles. Ooh. Oh, look at that. That looks nice. It kind of matches what I have on right now. Let's try this out.
Okay.
Ooh.
I want to put on my lips. Wait, what does it smell like?
It smells like candy.
No. It smells like one of those chocolate and also candy too.
It Smells good actually. Oh my god, this is nice. I like this. I thought I was definitely gonna get a different eyeshadow palette, and I don't know, like I said, I don't know who this Melissa is. I will definitely find out who she is, but this is what we got. So we got like a collab collection, a mystery bag collection here, so that is pretty cool. Like I said, my friend got something totally different. If you picked this up too, did you get something totally different than mine? Because I got like this is like crazy. But that's amazing. I like this box though. Look at that. She's gorgeous, right, Mama? Mm-hmm. I love that. She's very gorgeous. Now, Juvias palettes, Juvias Place palettes are very pigmented. I do have like 3 different eyeshadow palettes. They are amazing. I think those were like one of my very first eyeshadow palettes. And like I said, they're a black-owned beauty company. If you're looking at that, like types of company, their eyeshadow palettes, they even have blush. I don't have any other blushes. I really want to pick those up, and bronzers, like palettes, and they look amazing. I only have the eyeshadow palettes. I don't have anything else from Juvias Place except for eyeshadow palettes, but I do want to pick up the blushes and the bronzers, and I believe Ulta carries them as well, so I'll probably check out Ulta and probably pick some up or whatever. But I'm excited about this, so I am going to keep looking when they have mystery bags and boxes, and definitely pick up other ones. But this was amazing, right? Oh my god, Bella's got glitter like all over her forehead. Yeah, like look, put your head down. Like, there you go. Do you see her sparkle, guys? Like, out of her forehead. Look at the sparkles! That's funny. Anywho, oh my goodness. What do you... Yeah, go over here. Okay, Bella, what did you think about this?
Good.
Is this nice? Look at you got like a cool like collector's box.
Yes.
For your makeup, right? It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god, so what did you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's so worried about the tedious thing. I tell her, don't worry about it. She was worried about, like, she didn't put the bubble wrap inside her palette. And I said, don't worry about it. It's yours now. It's home. It's like, it doesn't need to go in the bubble wrap. She's like... Anyhow. Alright, guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna look for more information about this one. This Melissa, like I said, I don't know who Melissa is. I know I like sound like a broken record, whatever, but I like I said, I don't know who she is. I'll probably find out some information. If I do, I'll put it out here, or I'll put it in the description down below. I think I'm gonna get makeup everywhere, seriously, because I'm telling you, it's very pigmented. But I'm definitely gonna try that palette out. Just gotta be careful with one of the shades. It's very soft. So I'll probably check her palette out, make sure it's intact, because she was like really getting in there. But it's really, really gorgeous. Did you swatch like the other colors too? Did you show them your other colors? Like, she did swatches. But like I said, I'll put pictures up of people if they swatch or whatever. Those. Anyhow, if you like this video, and like I said, if you like this video or whatever, don't forget to
subscribe, hit the notifications, and like the video.
And also don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts, which is Instagram and Facebook at DSoto Beauty Subscription. And that's it, right? Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please be safe out there, stay healthy, and lots of love, right? I was going to say something else. Lots of love. All right, bye.